Where did you get the name Klezmer Fats?
I invented it myself. In other words, the klezmer music, of course, is a klezmer style and tunes and things, and the Fats is I put Fats Waller into it. Now, here's something that I do on the. I think I must have done it on the Klezmer Fats album as well. A piece is the Romanische Frelix Dave Terrace. This is what I did with it on the Terrace Band album. Now this lick that I got, it's from an old big band recording called Swamp Fire. And a light went out of my head and I just did it when I did that thing. So I call this the Mama Liga stump because it's Romanian. Mama Liga is a Romanian food.